So my positive is that I don't wear my lenses nor my prescription glasses, which are -5. I now use old glasses instead of my lenses, so it makes me feel a bit funny to wear such an old glasses, but the prescription is -3.5 instead of -5, so that's my improvement. Or I don't only use them when I'm on my computer, because otherwise it's kind of hard to work. It's impossible to work. And I didn't put my lenses until just for 2 times when I was driving. For the rest, I didn't use them at all. So when I put them on, it was a strange feeling to see much more as before. So I think I improved.